Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. You guys, I was in California, which means Daiso haul. It's not very big, but I got a few things, so I thought I'd show you. First things first, now the Daiso store is like the Japanese dollar store in Japan, and they have them here, not in Arizona, unfortunately, but everything's like $1.50 unless it's marked otherwise. So I picked up some of these little guys because I have a new air fryer and I seem to be lacking in the tongs department. I get these every single time. My grandkids love them. They're just little cookies. These are like little butter cookies, but it's a whole entire sleeve. And does that whole, doesn't say, oh yeah, the whole sleeve is 150 calories. So that's pretty good, right? Unless I'm reading it wrong. Oh no, I'm lying. There's 2 servings, so the whole sleeve is 300 calories. So, but for 2 little grandkids, that'll work out. I also pick up the little guys because they're $1.50 and they work really well. So I got B complex and a cranberry cleanse. So I always like to have the cranberry on hand, and then these B complexes are really nice to have. And then of course, grandkids again. Now everybody, you know, Pop Rocks, right? But this has a little dipper inside of it. So I thought that was cool, and I gave one to Trent, and he loved it. So we got that. I also picked up some triangular paper clips. There's 120 of them in there, and I don't know if you can see that or not, but they're little triangles. You can see it right there, a little triangle. So grabbed those, and I grabbed one of these because I wanted to see if it would fit like in my little Stampin' Up box, but it holds washi tape. It holds, hold on, 7 of them, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 7 of the smaller sized washi tapes. So I thought that was cute. We'll see how that works for $1.50. I thought I'd try it out. But then I also saw at Michael's they have some big washi tape holders for like $12. So who knows? We'll see what happens. I also picked up some of those little tweezers that have the really fine edge for picking up little teeny tiny things. My mother swears by this next item. I think she probably has 8 of them at least. But every time I go, she's like, check for those ceramic knives. So check for the ceramic knife. I didn't tell her I found one. I kept this one for myself. So we'll see exactly how wonderful they are. But they're just, you can't see, there you go, ceramic. But whenever I use hers, it seems to work well. Now, I picked up 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. And these are facial brushes. And you see they're marked $2. So they were $2 each. And they're used for facial, for your face. But I'm going to be using them for my sponging, kinda. I love the daubers, but this just gives a really great, like, overall softness. So I grabbed that, and then even larger, I got the larger one. Now I only picked up one of these because they are, can you see that? They're $4. So I picked up one of the larger ones and 3 of the smaller ones. And then I have about 2 pens that work with my dry erase, what are they called? It's a notebook, but it's made to dry erase. And so I got this, it's a Frixion highlighter. So it's a chalk pastel highlighter. And then this is a very thin writer, if you can see how thin that is. So I picked up 2 of those, and we'll see how that works. And then that's it, you guys. If you like seeing the Daiso hauls, make sure you give me a thumbs up because every time I go to California, I stop at a Daiso. So if you want to see what I get, let me know. What's my favorite item in here? Let me see. I think, yep. I think I'm going to go with these guys as my favorite item because I know how well these work. They will work on regular paper too. So if you guys need like an erasable, like that's an eraser there. But if you need an erasable pen, like a marker or highlighter, these work really well. And for $1.50, I thought it would be worth it. All right, you guys, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.